So there is a new structure at Disney's Beach Club Villa Resorts. Over and just to the left, as you come into the entrance, is a brand new pop-up store with Halloween merchandise.
Wait, you knew?
So tonight when we walked into Disney's Beach Club Resort, we were kind of pleasantly surprised to see Vampire Bat Mickey over here and his other not so spooky friends in what looks to be a pop-up store with Halloween merchandise that we have not seen before in the Beach Club. The great thing is what we've learned that this is not going to be going away anytime soon. As soon as Halloween is over, this is going to transfer over into Christmas decor, as anyone is aware of the fact that they have the gingerbread display that will be coming into the beach club. And so like in other resorts like that at Christmas time, this will move over to having gingerbread shingles and the like available. So we're excited to see what this is going to look like when it changes over to the Christmas holiday theming. But it's so cool that the beach club is going to get similar stores like you would see at the Boardwalk, the Floridian, and even over at the Contemporary. Now this pop-up is going to be turned into a Christmas themed over for the holiday season. We've also been told that it is a very high likelihood that the gift shop here at the Beach Club Resort will be going under refurbishment from the first of the year. So it's very possible that this merchandise area may remain up after the first of the year to sort of have some areas for gift shop and other items, while that other gift shop, the main gift shop, is being renovated. It's always fun to walk into a Walt Disney World hotel and find something new and different, so we're glad to be able to bring it to you. This just came up at the first of this week, so kind of cool to see the new Halloween merchandise. It's going to transfer over to Christmas very soon. So first signs and first ideas, it's only going to be a matter of time before Walt Disney World's transferred into a Christmas holiday time. So we're looking forward to that too. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys
in the park.
See you guys later.